Minasan konnichiwa. Hello everyone. Welcome to another vlog. Today I'm going to Nara Park again. So I parked my car 10 to 15 minutes away from the Nara Park and I'm going by walk. So if you're going by walk, you can enjoy beautiful scenes, and also the parking is very expensive near the Nara Park. So it's better you park a little bit away from the Nara Park. It's less expensive. You can also enjoy beautiful scenes. This is Nara Hotel, um, a few minutes away from Nara Park. So if you walk from here and you go by walk, so you can see a beautiful park, beautiful views, places, and also you can find a beautiful deers everywhere. So this is the land mafia. Sorry, not land mafia. This is the deer mafia. Deer mafias control this land. You can find everywhere the sign on the signboard on the road. So here we are almost reached there. You can see also a very ancient shrine in front of the Nara Park, which is called Kasuga Taisha, and this is established in 768 CE and designated as an UNESCO World Heritage Site. So here is the signboard. You can see so many places around here: temple, shrines, park, Ganuji temple, station, and you can also find this rickshaw. The main handle is this is uh, 10,000, around 10,000 for one person for 40 minutes, I think. And you can also pay by Visa card, your digital money. Your digital card is also acceptable here. So this is now you can see the deers walking slowly, and you have to be wait whether signal is on or off, doesn't matter. And I also saw there is an accident. The some car is very fast and the deer is in front, and it's very dangerous. So please, if you are using vehicle, any vehicle, please be careful. And this is called Senbei. Senbei is a unique, you can say, a cookies for deers. If they have seen you have a cookies, said that they will might be attack on you. So they are not satisfied how many cookies they eat, but they always required cookies. And you can also see the woman is there's a small stall woman selling the sandbag cookies, but they don't attack on the woman on the stall because this is the ethics of Japan. This is Japanese deers. They follow Japanese tradition and culture. You can see so many cookies is dropped because they are attacking, and people are scared, and so they drop the cookies.
Hello.
Another hungry deer, and he knows very well that I have a cookie. Very innocent deer, and this is a very huge, long queue. I think there is a museum, so people wants to go there. But it's a very large and very long queue. So Nara is the best place to visit if you are in the Kansai area or Kinki area. So this is the best place, and Nara never disappoint you. It's the best place to spend your day with nature. And if you have a cookie, the deer will know. I don't know how, but they know you have a cookies. So it's a beautiful day today, and I really enjoyed. You can also enjoy a very yummy ice cream, matcha flavor, milk flavor, and different type of flavor. So I enjoy matcha with milk with a 500 yen cash only. This is very yummy, delicious. This is another beautiful view, beautiful Japanese culture house. And if you go away from the Nara Park straight, so you can find a beautiful cultural markets here. You can buy souvenir from here, and also this is a matcha is a famous of Kansai area matcha. You can eat matcha from here. This is how they make matcha. You can see. I hope you enjoy matcha kung fu. It's very soft and look delicious. Yummy. Oishi. You can also enjoy a Turkish doner kebab here. So this is very famous temple of Nara Park, Todai-ji temple. This is closed. So if it's the public holiday, maybe it will be closed. So it's very recommended. You have to visit there. So many tourists visit Nara Park every day. You can find many foreigners there. So this is the tourist attraction places. So I hope you enjoy this vlog. And this is a very short and informative vlog about Nara Park and around the place of Nara Park. This is the best to visit in during the day, so you can enjoy whole day with nature, with deers. If you want to take the photo shot, please stand here and you can take the photo from here, the whole building. Okay, then, so this is the vlog about the Nara Park. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much. Matane, yoroshiku onegai shimasu. See you next time. Take care.